And today we're going to be checking out this rotary tool by PHALANX. And not only do you get the cordless, battery operated rotary tool, you're also going to get 80 accessories as well. How cool is that? Let's go ahead, we're going to point the camera down. I'm going to show you a closer look of what comes in this kit. And then we're actually going to cut something metal in half just so you can see how much torque and power this has. So let's get to it. Alright, so you can see it comes in a kit. I've already pulled it out of the box. I've actually been using this, so I do have some experience with it, and I have tried other cordless tools that have much less torque and much less power, and this one has some really cool features and good torque and good power. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. You can see it, everything comes in a nice organized case, which is going to make your life so much easier. You're going to have the tool itself. Pardon the dust. As I said, I have been testing and using this thing. Now the tool has some really cool features. It has a lock button on here. It will not accidentally turn on. As you can see, I can adjust my speeds. It has up to 9 different speeds. It does have a long-lasting 4,000 milliamp battery. Now this is your off, on, and lock switch. So right now it's in lock. So instead of having to put a pin or use tools to get this tight to fit a bit in, you just put this in the lock position and this will not spin. So you can drop your bit in and then tighten it. You don't need a second wrench or a little pin or nail or something to hold it while you tighten it up, which is a really cool feature. If you click it forward once, it is now unlocked and ready to go, and then of course you can turn it on like that, and you can hear the different speeds. That's 9 the fastest, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you can just come back to off. It does have a cooling system. It does pull air in through these vents right here, and it shoots them out of these vents to keep your tool nice and cool in those long grinding sessions. Your USB-C charge port is on the back right here. Now you can see the display on camera. It flickers a little bit. It doesn't do that in person. That's just the frame rate of the camera. And you can see that it has this little, you can unscrew the end right here, and usually what this is for is so you can attach one of those extensions with the flexible extension. So it's got everything on it that you've come to expect from your rotary tools. Now the max speed, it says right here, is 28,000 RPMs. It's 4 volt max, a 4,000 mAh battery, 1/8 inch max collet size, and you charge it with a 5 volt input, which is just the USB-C cable. It's nice, it's light, it's sleek. But let's go ahead and look at some of these accessories that you're going to get. You can see you get a whole case full of them right here. You have your charge cord, you have some polishing wheels in here, you have some sanding and cutting disc in here, you have drum sanders, you have grinding stones and polishing stones, you have engravers, you also have your carving bits as well, you have your bits that hold the cutting disc right here, and you have your bit that holds the drum sanders right there. It even comes with a little tool for tightening your bit up. So everything you need to get started and get going, and is really quite the complete set. Let's go ahead, we're going to set this thing up, and I'll show you how easy it is to set up. We're just going to unscrew this. We're going to pull one of these cutting discs out. Oops, I just dumped my sanders. You can see all the different sanding discs you get. Whole stack of those, and under those are some little cutting disc, and then we will just take the screw and put it through the cutting disc, screw it right back on here. The little tool has a flathead screwdriver on it for tightening the bit up, and then what you do is you put this in the lock position, which is all the way back, and we will drop our bit in, use our wrench to give it a tighten, and we're ready to go. Now all I have to do is get a piece of metal to cut. Alright, so I went and found this little motor mount. This is made out of aluminum. As you know, even with an abrasive wheel, aluminum can be hard to cut. Just because it's soft metal, it does tend to gall up your cutting wheels and stuff if you don't carry the right RPMs. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to cut this. We're going to see how it goes, and I'm going to put it on the top speed, and we're just going to see how long it takes me to cut through this little cross section right here. I'm not going to speed the camera up. It will be real time. So let's go ahead and give her a go. And there you go. As you see, it cut through quite easily. This, as I said, has a lot of torque compared to other cordless rotary tools that I have reviewed in the past. I do reviews all the time. I've tested many of these, and I'm very satisfied with the speed and torque that this rotary tool offers. So if you're a hobbyist, a professional, a robot builder like me, we build battle bots, and to have something like this that is cordless, reliable, and easy to use is a must-have in my opinion. I like the extra safety lock for removing the bits. I like the fact that it has 9 adjustable speeds. I like that it has good torque, and I like the fact that it's got a larger battery for longer runtime. You can of course use this on wood, plastic, steel, basically any material you want, and it's going to get the job done. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.